two of you are the mothers of this household. And as such, you should behave as mothers and take care of these children. I love my children to be united and have a strong, caring family. As the head of the home, I will do my part. So I want you to treat them with more care, love, and attention. I'm tired of all this rancor, this wahala in the house. That's why I called you.
We heard all what you said. And me, I am promising you that we will love our children more. And there will be unity and love in their midst.
Shut up! Why don't you speak for yourself? Do you want to say I don't take care of my children the way I'm supposed to? Or I don't care for them the way I'm supposed to be as their mother? Is that what you're saying?
That is not what our husband meant. All what he is saying is that there should be more love and unity. We all should live in peace. That is what our husband is saying.
That is what we want.
And the unity of this house. That is what he means.
Mommy! Mommy! I have always promised that I will do my part as a father at the head of this home. But I don't understand this woman.
She really don't mean what she said. Please.
This one?
Yes. I am angry with you. I am angry.
Mommy, what happened? Why?
I don't understand. Who are no water? When our mother was talking, why did you people add disrespectfully to her? I am not happy. Look. She was not talking to you. She was talking to our husband and not you, the children.
Mommy. No, Mommy, it wasn't so. You see the way, Mommy, the way she reacted to the fact. It's not good now. When we away, Mommy, when my baby. Huh?
You don't have right to correct her. You don't have that right. She is the mother of the house. She is the first wife.
Okay. Mommy, we are sorry. We are sorry.
The apology goes to her. Every one of you should go and meet her and apologize to her now as I am still here.
Oh, my mommy. Otas. I mean, let's go now. Mommy.
Please, come with us.
Let's go. Mommy, we are sorry.
What was this?
We are sorry.
What's happening?
We are sorry. Mommy, sorry.
Mommy. The mother of the house.
We are sorry.
Remember you are our mother now.
Yes. You are my mom, please.
I should forgive you people.
Yes, Mommy.
Is that why you want to turn this house upside down?
No, Mommy. No.
Not do that.
No. Please.
Please forgive them. Forgive all of us. We are your children.
Bros. Otas, what? What you mean? You don't greet me. Biscuity, I should cut biscuit for you. Otas, the other day you bought Google, you refused to give me Google. Otas, are you trying me? Leave here! I said leave here!
Brother, can't I get from your biscuits?
Ni me ayari biscuit in any way. If you for I go throw where? Where? You were not this stingy.
Because of biscuit, that talk finish for your mouth.
Who try me? Are you trying me? Are you mad?
Brother Goseki, what is going on?
Something is wrong with you. Would you shut up?
This is unlike you.
Shut up! You see the way Otas is talking to me because of biscuit? Am I your mate? What is wrong with you people? Because of biscuit. I should give you biscuit, Fiame.
Who better go everyone?
Like, seriously?
Mommy.
I don't want to hear anything. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Mommy. Go Tassi, go.
Go away! Shut up! Huh?
Otas. Otas. I'll wear the biscuit in many. I'll try, man. I'll beat him.
Oh, damn it, when you're supposed to have your family by now, you are here playing with your younger ones.
My family. Mommy, if you go outside, look for a woman bring for me. I will marry. Yes, yes. You look for a wife. But I make biscuit because of biscuit. Huh? I mean, because of biscuit. I mean,
I should be waiting now.
Mommy. Sarime, what is wrong with you? He's not here. He's not here.
You tell us a story.
Story. Okay. Tell us a story.
I don't know any story.
Tell us a story. What is all this now?
Okay. I should tell you a story. Sareme, tell us a story. Mommy, you are the one that will tell us a
Ma,
story.
he can tell us a story now. Allow him to tell us a story.
Tell us a story.
Yeah.
Story.
Yes.
I want to eat.
You want to eat? Okay, sit. When we finish telling the story, you go and eat. I prepare your favorite. So listen to your brother and sister story. Sit down. Yeah. I'll give you.
Mommy, go on.
I want to tell us a story on how the lizard lost his voice. Okay. How many of us want to hear that story? Why are you smiling?
I want to hear it.
And you, why are you smiling?
I want to hear it, Mommy.
You want to hear the story too? You want to eat? You and food. You and food. You and food. Don't worry, I'll give you food. Don't you trust me? Just hold on. So, as I was saying, lizard and tortoise, they were best of friends. Best of friends. Obama knew every year. That is what they are. And lizard happened to be a gate man.
A gate man?
Lizard, a gate man.
It's a funny story.
A gate man. Why am I only a gate man here? Lizard was a gate man. He was there at his gate. The lizard and the tortoise, they have a deal. When lizard was at his duty post, the tortoise went and betrayed him.
How?
As they were there, lizard started shouting. He later went and betrayed tortoise.
Zasu.
They were shouting, oh, that is how lizard lost his throat.
Because of
he cannot speak again. Hey.
Okay.
Did you learn anything from that?
Yeah.
Not that I laughed a lot.
It's an interesting story. Yeah.
Okay, next time if I come for a story, who will be the next person to tell me?
Mommy.
You will tell me.
Yes.
You will tell me story.
Hey, shut up there. If I want to chop.
He said he will tell us a story.
I want to hear your story.
Mommy, now food like. I want to chop.
Sorry.
Tell us.
I said I will give you food now. Sorry now.
Come.
I am ready.
Hey. Go inside. Go and soak Gary and drink.
supposed to be somebody's wife and somebody's husband. Look at what you are doing. Fools.
Hey. Let them be. Leave them alone. Mommy, come. There's a story here. Mommy.
Let her be.
I wanted her to hear this.
No, she's our mother. Ijowa, every young now. So you let her be, please. So next time we should go and prepare. Everybody is going to tell one story.
Yes.
So you tell
Go
us
on,
the story.
come. Mommy, I lie. Just go inside and go and drink her. Leave here. Mommy, I lie to go now.
Can you leave him alone? Leave him alone now. I cook rice in the kitchen. Go kitchen. Go and eat.
Don't
What?
pour spit inside your pot.
What is rice? If you eat that rice, I will enjoy you. Just so Gary I eat too. Gary. Idiot.
So my children.
How are you?
Yes, sir.
How is everything?
Yes, sir.
You live around this area? Wow, you don't mean it. You are from this community?
Yes, sir.
Wow, you're looking good. Yeah. My name is Asemota. Yeah. What is your name?
My name.
Your name?
I mean, what is it now? Why
Why are you running? Who's after you?
Walk with me.
Father, I saw this big man, a giant.
Giant.
He's the combination of my three brothers. Father, giant.
I mean, I'm not getting you. So what actually happened? Ogboya, he beat you?
Father, you need to see his eyes. His eyes was on fire.
Well, can so okay, now tell me what actually happened.
But I have to run now. Immediately he requested for money.
Oh, I'm not getting you. He requested
Sister. You want to kill me before I finish God's work? Take it easy.
Samuel, you will not understand.
you wait. Samuel, prophet of God. Instead of you to stay here and be praying, you ran away and left me and your mother. So you was telling you should kill us. When you're supposed to be here praying, prophet of God. Damn anyway.
Father, I want to go inside. I have to recover from this shock. Oh, it's so huge.
My husband, you mean our daughter ran away because a man approached her.
Children of
And you?
light.
You!
Prophet of God. So instead of you to be here praying for us, you run and allow what is coming to kill us.
I didn't run.
You didn't run.
I didn't run. I was trying to take cover.
Oh,
At least I want to take cover. I didn't run.
okay. In your ministry, you take cover. You take cover in ministry. Yeah. Yes. Oh, yes. Exactly. I told him. Yes. You are very correct. You see? Okay. Yes. Samuel, what are you doing inside the bush?
I just want to communicate with my God in the bush.
Your God. You have God inside the bush. Oh my God. Do you think that you are okay?
I'm okay, bro.
Inside this awesome, communicate with your God. Inside the bush.
Don't worry. I want to communicate with my God.
I thought this song is, maybe this song is deceiving you.
No,
This awesome.
Not at all.
No.
Not at all.
I can't believe this. Samuel,
God bless you, brother.
inside the bush. God bless me. Okay. Samuel, let's see how.
Okay, bro.
Oh, sorry, my friend. You see, I just met my brother on the. Okay. Yeah.
Mother.
What? You see, I told you guys, I got a beating and mommy is eating. There we are. See it now.
Prophet.
Professor.
Eating now.
God reveal. Mom is eating.
What is eating?
Eating what?
Eating now.
Which one? Eh? Yeah, get away. You want more Uwadiae? Must you eat everything?
Please, Google, let me eat from it now. Are you not my mother?
Must you eat everything with your mother? Yeah, get away. You more Uwadiae. You know where this Google is?
Mommy, you are denying me.
Eh?
Mother, Me, I'm hungry. Ah.
You want others to strike you? If you are hungry, you go and eat. Not this. Oh, your prophet Samuyi said he saw me eating gugu.
Mother,
You want others to strike you there?
Mommy!
Even you!
Mom, it's not fair.
Will you shut your mouth? I'm eating something I can't eat in peace. Oh, why?
Mama, oh, that soup is so delicious.
That soup was so delicious.
Na me cook am.
My friend, now that soup, now they tell you, say me, maybe show me how to cook am.
You don't pay me now.
I will
You
see
pay, I will show you.
When I get to Mama, me, I will not eat any other food again.
How did make me dey give you food? I want me to marry my pikin.
Ah, Mama.
Come on. Now because you want to marry your pikin, you want show me. Now you don't want show me.
Hey,
We be afraid, huh?
money for her.
I go
Back
see pay
now.
money give you.
Yes,
That one come.
Give me
Because,
money.
eh,
I go show you now.
Thank
Okay,
you,
you
Mama.
don't show me.
Thank
I go see show you.
don't
but you
make
go
me
give
angry.
money.
No, I beg.
Okay, Mona, don't worry. I will show you. I'll show you.
That wait till they had Joe that bagasu.
Hey, don't worry now.
Amir,
Sister Sareme, you scared me.
why are you scared? You are sad. What's going on?
Sister Sareme, the condition of our family is no longer funny at all.
I know.
I'm confused. By now, we are supposed to be taking care of our father and mothers, not the other way around.
Amir, take a look at me. Where am I supposed to be now? Not in my husband's house. They are still here under my father and mother, which is not fair. Me too, I'm confused. I know what you are passing through. I know what you are thinking. It's okay.
Sister Sareme, I would have loved to go to fashion school. Look at our conditions. There's no money for agreement. Nothing is working.
I understand. I understand. Me too, I would love to go to fashion school. But the money is not there. Will I keep myself?
Sister Sareme, things better change, oh. Because I'm tired.
I mean, it's okay. Things will change. Don't worry. The prayer I normally do is this. What we don't know will not affect us. If it is the sin of our father and mother that is disturbing this family, the prayer that we are going to be praying that what our father and mother did, it will not affect us. Because this thing is getting too much. It's okay. Is that why you are franking your face? Share up now.
So, my dear little children, yeah, this is my new house. You are
Uncle, your house is very
because I've been neat man.
Oh. But Grandma, you're not trying to tell us now that we are not neat.
Yes, I said before. You can't tell them.
Oh, Daddy, you are fresh, you.
Hey, yeah. Because of your grandmother, you know, say me here. Why don't you was there?
It's fine.
Yeah, it's fine. I know what you say.
No, but look at me now. You see, Mommy. And Daddy's doing a great job now.
Do you know what's going on here in Benin? You don't understand me. You be happy here. Saka we say, also baga we say, buwe. We ni ko si wa mu area. Omo Yoruba. Oja
That's best on force now.
Like what?
But Daddy, wait.
Like what?
Daddy, before we go back to Lagos, you better on something.
Like what now? Just mention it.
Okay, like clothes. I want to have a car.
Daddy.
And my friends, they in Lagos, they are all they have their own cars.
Everybody, me to everybody, you get a car. Wara, a car.
Yes.
You know how much they to say to buy car.
But it's cheap now.
It's cheaper in Lagos than Benin here. When you are doing what we could.
Of work. Please let me come with you. I want to walk.
Yes, you make me scared. Look at the way you were shouting my name. I was scared.
Sorry.
Anyway, come, let's go. Can you walk?
Yes, sister, I can.
Yeah, come, let's go.
So, my princesses, that was what Lizard did to Monkey.
But Auntie, what's now happened?
Lizard betrayed Monkey, and in response, the Monkey betrayed Lizard by giving him hot water to drink.
Seriously?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that sounds right.
Do you know, during this process, the Lizard lost his voice?
Auntie, I'm here. I love this story. Thank you very much for telling us.
You're welcome, my princess.
Thank you very much, Ma.
All I want you to know, in life,
Yes.
never,
Yes.
I repeat again, never you betrayed anyone.
Okay, Ma.
Because it might later turns and hurt you.
Okay, Ma.
So, can any of you tell me what you've learned so far?
Okay, I no, me. I'll do one.
Alright.
My dear. This is granite. This one is different with you.
Have you of this one?
On a very name, what do you mean? Very, very sweet.
Let me get a sharp hands. So.
Are you sorting me?
No. I say if the rest people come by, they complain.
Not try just try.
I not talk like that. See, I say,
When your
try.
husband may tell your words.
Okay, sir. Me, I take small. Let me see Brian. Hey, Kasha, amen. Massa.
Yes, I mean,
I'm here.
my dear, how are you? I mean, how are you?
Papa, I'm not fine.
Hope all is well.
No, Papa.
Also, no.
Junior.
Mama, I would have loved to go and learn how to sew. But there's no money.
Fashion design.
Tailor.
The tailor. What gonna be tailor? Okay, ne. My husband is here. Now the kick on a better thing.
Is that why you are crying? We are here for you.
Oh, tell you.
Yeah.
I assume that my father cannot be able to buy from my business.
Money matter.
That's not an issue.
Forget that.
There's no problem. Now,
that money when you define. Me with my husband could join it together. Who will give you a like I go not tell you?
No. Osamuyi, what is it you want to tell me?
Father, last time I had a voice.
Voice. Whose voice?
He said it's God. I had it clearly.
God.
Yes, sir.
So what did he tell you?
Father, he said he's calling me to be a prophet.
So, I'm so happy. A prophet in my family. Oh, that's good. God, thank you.
But Father, I want you and this family to help me build my own ministry.
To help you build your ministry.
Yes, I want to have my own house of God. But it won't be possible without my own family support.
Don't worry. Later this evening, we will all sit together and talk about it as a family.
Thank you, Dad.
No, I mean, I'm so happy that at least I have a family member now, my own son, as a prophet, a man of God. So all this problem will end. I'm happy. I will discuss with the others. We will talk later in the evening.
I really appreciate it.
Prophet Osamuyi.
Fashion designer.
Good work.
Thank you very much for accepting our agreement.
You're welcome.
So we do the money requested for the agreement of our daughter.
Amen.
So I beg me just try to use your own full mind to teach you how you work.
I'll try my best.
My dear, don't see as we come, so we just surprise her. We just want to surprise this our
Yes.
We not tell her more.
Maybe by Monday or Tuesday.
Now you will concept person go tell her. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Auntie, you sit down well. If you know poor, I'll tell you. So far, she's willing to learn.
Very. She will learn.
Thank you.
So all your style you get for inside your mind, take a teacher. Show her the thing.
Thank you very much.
You are a good woman.
Thank you.
Yes.
God bless you. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, madam.
Where you are?